Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well. I have just created this beautiful look that you can wear with any outfit, any time of the day. I have used all the drugstore products here, so if you want to learn, please keep on watching. Starting with a primer, I have taken a Wet n Wild Luminous primer to give some glow on my face, and then I'm using a foundation. I have used a Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I have combined two shades here. I'll mention those shades in the description down below. And then I'm taking an orange corrector. It's from LA Girl and applying on my darker areas. Then I am covering it up with a Maybelline Fit Me concealer. It's in the shade medium. And I'm blending it. Now I'm contouring my face. I've used a Nykaa palette here and then highlighting my face using the Age Rewind concealer. Blend it properly and then I'll set it with a loose powder. I've used a Maybelline loose powder here. I'll mention the shade in the description. I'm just highlighting the area with a yellow powder from the NYX contour palette, and I'll use the same palette to set the contour on my face. Now I'm applying the blush. I'm using the Pinky Peachy blush. It's from Maybelline, and highlighting my face with the highlighter which is given in the NYX contour palette. Now I'll start with the eyes. I've used a Wet n Wild eye primer and applying the light brown shade. I've used a Makeup Revolution palette here. I'm using a light brown shade and then a darker brown. You need to blend it inwards. It looks a bit messy, but it'll look good in the end. Then I've taken the black shade and I'm creating a V in the outer corner. And then I've taken a golden shade from the same palette. It's a pinky golden shade, and then I've applied on the eyelid. I've used a kajal here. It's from Color Bar. Just apply the kajal as a liner and apply the kajal on waterline and smudge it properly. Now I have filled the eyebrows. If everybody has their own way to fill the eyebrows, if you want a tutorial on that, I'll create a tutorial for that. As you can see, I am curling my lashes and applying the mascara. And now I'm highlighting and apply lipstick. I have used 2-3 shades of lipstick here. I will mention in the description below. And I'm blending it with my fingers. You can change the lipstick according to your likings. Now I'm applying a mist. It's from Plum and setting up the mist. So here's the final look. I hope you like it. You can see it's a pretty look that you can carry at any time of the day and with any outfit. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to watch some more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel so that you get notified. Thank you so much for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one.